Hello children, welcome to the EVS online class. How are you all? Fine, okay. We have completed 2 lessons in EVS. Lesson 1, the solar system and the earth, and lesson 6, air, water and weather. Hope you all have read the textbook and studied the notes of these lessons. Okay, so now let's play a game. Are you ready? Okay, take your rough book and pencil. I will give you 5 jumbled words. You have to rearrange the alphabets and find the correct word. You have 10 seconds for finding the correct words. Okay? Are you ready?
These are the words. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stop writing. Did you get the answers? Yes, very good. So let's check the answers.
First answer is plants. Second, animals. Third one is water. Fourth, soil. And the last one is environment. Did you get at least 4 correct answers? Yes? Okay, very good.
What is environment? Yes, our surroundings. Everything that surrounds us makes up the environment. And our environment include both living things and non-living things. What are living things? You have studied in the previous year, features of living things. Can you recollect? Yes, living things can move, living things can grow, living things need food, water and oxygen to live. They can reproduce. All these are the features of living things. Can you say example for living thing? Yes, plants and animals are living things. And the non-living things are water, soil, rocks, etc. are non-living things. So, our environment include both living things and non-living things. Also, sun and weather are also included in our environment. Our new lesson is about environment. Lesson 7, Saving the Environment. What is environment? Everything that surrounds us, including both living and non-living things, makes up the environment. So every living thing has its own environment. For example, the environment of a plant include what all things? The soil in which it lives, air, water, weather, sunlight, and also the animals that eat plants. Together forms the environment of a plant. So every living thing has its own environment. Is there any need to protect this environment? Should we keep our environment neat and clean? Yes, because we depend on our environment for all our needs. All the basic necessities of our life like food, water, oxygen, clothing, shelter, everything we get from the environment.
Open your textbook, page number 46. There you can see a question. What do the following things in your environment give you? Think of and write as many things as you can. First one is sun. Sun gives us heat and light. Second question, plants. What is the answer? Plants give food, wood and oxygen. Then animals. Animals give food and wool. Then earth. Earth is the place where we live. Earth gives soil, water and air.
So we get all the materials that we use in our daily life from our environment. So it's our duty to keep our environment neat and clean. It's our responsibility to save our environment. But are we doing that? Because of the increasing needs of human beings, we are damaging the environment. How? We have good houses to live comfortably. We have cars and buses to travel quickly. And we have so many home appliances like refrigerators and washing machines to make our work easier. And also there are different methods to grow more food. But all these things are damaging the environment. Harmful substances are released from all these things into the environment and thus damages the environment. So this process of making the environment dirty by releasing harmful substances is called as pollution. So what is pollution? The release of harmful substances into the environment is known as pollution. So we are spoiling the environment by creating air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. So human activities causes air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. Let's discuss about this in detail in the next class. So today we have studied what is environment, what is the need to protect environment, what is pollution and what are the different types of pollution. Hope you all have understood the topic. Read textbook page number 45 and 46. From notebook, study question number 1 and 2 from name the following and question number 1 from answer the following. A test paper is attached along with this. Do the test and submit it. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you.